Meaning of defenseless.
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 Defenseless. The meaning of defenseless is lacking protection or being vulnerable to harm or attack. A person or a thing that is defenseless is unable to defend itself against any kind of threat or danger. It is often used to describe situations where there is little or no means of defense, such as facing an armed attacker with no weapon or being unprotected against a natural disaster. Being defenseless can result in serious consequences, including physical harm, emotional distress, and loss of property. Therefore, it is important to take appropriate measures to protect ourselves from any potential threats.